most of the stock have corrected to the tune of 40-50%.
Who should stay away from this fund right now?
अगर 5 साल का व्यू नहीं है तो आप मत आओ.
I will ask you a couple of questions and I want you to answer whatever comes to your mind first.
Sure.
Consistent SIPs or lump sum? Small caps has a 10% satellite allocation or the primary engine for a 5-year goal. Two hot themes for 2026. I'll start with my first question. If you look at the last couple of years, काफी retail investors, वो सोचते हैं कि small caps have not really lived up to the hype or have been, dead money. And Abacus is coming up with, a new fund, small cap fund right now in early 2026. आपके हिसाब से why is this the right moment to enter, or are we looking at a buy the dip opportunity, or is there a structural shift in the small cap market that makes today different from couple of months and years back?
Kanishka, good question. So we have already launched our small cap fund. 26th Feb was the date, and it will get over by 12th, and then again we'll reopen it. But what we believe at this point of time, see, like you termed two names, which is dip or the shift. तो हमें क्या लगता है, both the opportunities are available at this point of time. Why? Because ऐसा है कि yes, most of the stock have corrected to the tune of 40-50% if you see the small cap space. And gone are those days जहाँ पे people were talking about growth at any price. But today it is more toward people are looking on earnings and profitability of the company. What we believe is, इन अगर आप 2019 कैलेंडर ईयर से अभी 2025 कैलेंडर ईयर देखोगे, so the market cap of small cap has increased to the tune of 5.3x or 5.5x versus a large cap which is just 2.3x. So again, what people started believing is, and we also believe that there is a lot of opportunity in this, and those two good quality companies जो हम लोगों ने identify की है, तो I think it is a mix of both. That I can say it's a right time where we have been मतलब blessed that एक तो market have corrected, market have not done in last 18 months to 2 years time, and of course structural shift, and जहाँ पे there are a lot of companies or a lot of sectors which are new sectors which are there coming in, so we see that there is a lot of opportunity, and this is the right time to people who are looking to invest for next 5 year plus. I think they should participate in the small cap fund.
Yeah, makes sense. Actually, वो मेरा second question भी था because back in 2022, Nifty Small Cap Index dropped about 13.8%. But those who stayed patient and invested, they saw a massive 85% recovery over the next 18 months. So can we expect something similar now?
See, जैसा आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि in 2022 there was a correction and then there was a jump. So I can definitely say कि not a U-shaped recovery होगा, but I can definitely say there will be a decent growth in this space. As I told you that there is a lot of potential sunrise sector which are coming, and the objective of the fund is to identify those ideas or those sectors which are high value potential or a sunrise sector, and there is where we will be investing. So it will be more narrow base or quality based company which will be identifying into this space. And of course जो हम लोग ये समझते हैं कि ये जो बहुत बार आपने सुना होगा कि जो पहले पिछले 10 साल में जो सेक्टर्स चल रहे थे या 10-15 साल में, नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो सेक्टर आज काम करेंगे, तो नए सेक्टर्स में आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है वेर इन वी बिलीव आई थिंक अच्छी ग्रोथ आपको ये स्मॉल कैप फंड से मिल सकती है.
Absolutely. But abhi bhi 874 out of 874 small cap companies, data shows 483 companies have coverage from fewer than one broker. So आपकी टीम कैसे ensure करती है that the information asymmetry in these undiscovered stocks?
See, पहला है that our research team is well geared oiled to identify these companies. ठीक है, जैसा आपने कहा कि बहुत सारी कंपनी रिसर्च नहीं होती है, and there is where the big opportunity lies for us. कि जहाँ पे रिसर्च जहाँ पे जिनकी खत्म हो जाती है वहां से हमारा काम शुरू हो जाता है. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट हमारा एक यूनिक फ्रेमवर्क है which is called as मीट्स फ्रेमवर्क. So within
Hmm.
मीट्स फ्रेमवर्क we try to identify these companies and understand कि कौन सी कंपनी को हम रिसर्च करें और उसके बाद हम अपने पोर्टफोलियो में उसको लेके आए. So, as I told you, that yes, there is zero coverage for many of those small cap company, but we also believe that there is a lot of gems or potential in these companies, and we have a good research team of 25-member team who try to meet these management, understand the fundamental of the company, and then it becomes a part of our portfolio. So, जैसा मैंने कहा कि जहाँ पे लोगों की रिसर्च खत्म हो जाती है, वहां से हमारा काम और ज्यादा स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
Okay. And Bacchus has always championed the philosophy of, believe in the basics. But we are living in an era where, AI driven and algo trading are the buzzwords. So, how does a fundamental first bottom up approach still find, an edge in this high velocity small cap space?
See, respect to AI driven or algo driven research, but as you told, like we believe in the basics. So, हमारा जो meets framework है, that take cares of that, and within that, first part of the meets is M, which is nothing but quality of management. Now, quality of management, it's a very simple English, but it has a lot of depth in it. When I say depth, an AI or algorithm जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर है that will not go back to a management or he's not going to meet a management. तो if I and you are meeting on a personal basis तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है we try to understand each other well कि हम लोग कैसे हैं, how is our relationship, how is our business will do, and all that stuff we start talking about. I think which AI और algorithm नहीं कर पाएगा. So what we believe is that ground पे हमारा आदमी जाके वो management से connect होगा, he will come to know the integrity, the ethics, वो वहाँ पे समझेगा. See, those are mostly again those are where the data is being put in and they give some kind of output. But हम लोग डेटा डालने डेटा जो बनता है उसका काम पहले करते हैं, and then we follow our meets framework. So I think of course those are good programs or software, but again we believe कि मैं अगर अपना basic काम करूंगा तो automatically will be able to identify good companies. So like इमोशनल क्वेश्चन आता है या इंटेलिजेंस आता है जो रिसर्च चाहिए फील्ड पे, वो वहाँ पे एक ह्यूमन टच या ह्यूमन इन्वॉल्वमेंट के साथ ही आ सकता है. ये आई थिंक अभी भी इंडिया इज इन अ डेवलपिंग स्टेट जहाँ पे आई थिंक अभी भी अब वी टॉक अबाउट वी हियर अबाउट लॉट इन दैट एआई है, बट एआई को चलाने के लिए भी आपको कोई आदमी चाहिए होता है. तो दैट इज व्हाट वी बिलीव कि अभी काफी लंबा सफर है वहां तक के लिए. सो वी बिलीव बेसिक अपना काम करते रहो तो we'll still find a good names or good quality company in our portfolio.
All right, that makes sense. I have another question. As we speak right now, foreign institutional ownership is at a 15-year low, which is approximately around 17%. Now, agar FII participation वापस आता है, quality small cap stocks might, get a boost. Do you think FPIs and FIIs will return in 2026?
To put a number that whether they will come in 26 or 27, वो अभी थोड़ा कहना hard होगा. ठीक है, of course there are a lot of geopolitical tension, but yes, FI have to come in because within their basket, India is a country where fundamentally we are strong. Our corporate governance are very strong, so a reversal is highly probable. And of course, they also look for companies earning, and Q3 earning has been very good, and same way for the Q4 earning also will be very good. And I think that all data and number will make them come back to India as an investment destination. So of course, geopolitical tension है, so we cannot say कि वो 26 में आएगा या 27 में आएगा, but believe is that they cannot miss Indian market.
Hmm.
And of course we have been, and our domestic players or institutional investor, we have seen that they have been very strong in the market. पहले क्या होता था कि FI ने पैसा निकाला, the whole market crashes. But
Yes.
up because of the DI coming into picture, institutional money which is coming into the domestic retail investor coming into or participating into the market, so that again talks about the strong fundamental of the India growth story. एंड अगर कंपनीज की अर्निंग आती रही हर क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे अच्छी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली दे हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट, एफआई विल पार्टिसिपेट. इनफैक्ट मेनी ऑफ द एफपीआई आर ऑलरेडी कमिंग हु हैव अ लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट होराइजन, तो वो तो कर ही रहे हैं पार्टिसिपेट.
Okay, okay. Given so much is happening in the world right now, अगर आज की डेट में किसी को अपना पोर्टफोलियो बनाना है फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years, तो आपके हिसाब से हाउ वुड द एसेट एलोकेशन लुक लाइक?
हर इंडिविजुअल का एसेट एलोकेशंस आर डिफरेंट. ठीक है, my requirement and your requirement will be different. But if you say that if what I believe is that my asset allocation is 70 to 80% is tilted toward into equity, because what
Hmm.
I see is that upward opportunity in next 3 to 5 years is much higher versus अगर मैं equity से बाहर रहूँ. But again, it depends from individual investors asset allocation, different parameters or the kind of risk appetite or the goals. ठीक है, बट यस डेफिनेटली इक्विटी एक ऐसा प्लेस है जहाँ पे डेफिनेटली द यू विल बी एबल टू बीट द इन्फ्लेशन, और decent return are will be made into equity only. So I think what my belief is, anyone who has money for equity investment or for next 5 year, then to definitely they should look for equity as an asset class to invest. अब वो
Hmm.
परसेंटेज वेरी कर सकता है इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि भाई आप अपना एफडी तोड़ के इक्विटी में डाल दो, बट मनी फॉर इक्विटी फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 year डेफिनेटली, नेक्स्ट 3 to 5 year डेफिनेटली you should participate in equity.
But I have another question, which is like, who should not invest in small cap funds right now? Because we know who should invest. Certainly someone with, very high risk profile, but who should stay away from this fund right now?
Uh, See, what we believe is कि some kind of allocation need to be there in small cap funds, होना चाहिए.
Hmm.
But who should not be investing? A good question है. But उसमें कैसा होता है ना कि जिसका व्यू अगर होराइजन 3 5 साल के ऊपर नहीं है, तो वी तो डेफिनेटली से कि उसमें यू शुड नॉट बी कमिंग, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डाइजेस्ट द वॉलेटिलिटी. Now,
Yes.
in past, we have seen numbers of event where your Russia-Ukraine happened, or your new government changes happens, or your any मतलब parameter or factor which geopolitical tensions. ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, मार्केट टेम्पररी डिस्कनेक्ट हो सकता है या टेम्पररी वॉलेटिलिटी हो सकती है. अगर इफ यू आर एबल टू डाइजेस्ट दैट वॉलेटिलिटी, और आपने वो वॉलेटिलिटी को समझ लिया और उसको एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, एंड देन यू स्टे पुट फॉर दैट लॉन्ग टर्म, तो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू मेक मनी. तो जिसका अगर कोई मतलब स्मॉल कैप में ऐसा है कि अगर 5 साल का व्यू नहीं है तो आप मत आओ. मेरा तो सीधा सीधा ये जवाब रहेगा. बट 5 साल के व्यू के ऊपर है तो डेफिनेटली आपको अपना पैसा, कुछ पैसा एसेट स्मॉल कैप में लगाना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स
Hmm.
आपके दूसरे एलोकेशन लार्ज कैप मिड कैप उसमें भी होंगे, बट स्मॉल कैप में लगाना चाहिए. एंड वी एज अ हाउस, जैसे हमने कहा कि वी हैव दैट पेडिग्री ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू फाइंडिंग न्यू आइडियाज, न्यू जेम्स. तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे हमको हमें बिलीव होता है कि वी विल डू गुड फॉर आवर इन्वेस्टर्स.
With that, let's go to our rapid fire round. And I will ask you a couple of questions, and I want you to answer whatever comes to your mind first. Shall we start?
श्योर, श्योर.
Okay. Consistent SIPs or lump sum?
मेरे स्मॉल कैप के लिए एस आई पी.
Small caps has a 10% satellite allocation or the primary engine for a 5-year goal.
अगेन द थिंग इज, पहला कि छोटा एलोकेशन होना चाहिए आपके पोर्टफोलियो में, एनीवेयर बिटवीन 5 to 10%, बट
Hmm.
दैट शुड बी विद अ व्यू ऑफ 5 year प्लस.
Two hot themes for 2026.
हेल्थ केयर है, और आपका बीएफएसआई में माइक्रो फाइनेंस आते हैं, वेल्थ कंपनीज आ जाती है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आ जाती है, डिफेंस एरोस्पेस आ जाता है. तो काफी सेक्टर्स हैं वहाँ पे अवेलेबल. तो
Okay. Time in the market or timing the market?
uh, you have to spend time in the market. मतलब I think history gives you a lot many event to understand and learn. कि आप खाली टाइम करते रहोगे मार्केट में, आई थिंक यू विल लूज द बस. सो इट इज दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी पेशेंट व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इनटू इक्विटी मार्केट, एंड देयर इज वेयर देन द fruits will start coming up.
Okay, my last question in one line. Why should people invest in small caps in 2026 and why should they invest in Abacus?
See, one line, because what we believe, one is that our investment framework, which is MEETS framework, which always talks about management, earning, event, trend, and timing, and the structure. So MEETS framework में हम ये अब follow करते हैं, and this MEETS framework is passed, मतलब every stock is passed through these framework. And of course our research capability, which we have been not which have been used very well over the period of time. अब हमारी टीम का अच्छा खासा रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस है, एनीवेयर बिटवीन 20-25 years का एवरेज रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस है. So that research experience, that framework, and what we want from the investor is that 3 to 5 year plus horizon. So I think there is where we believe अगर client आएगा तो definitely he will make money into our portfolio.
Okay, okay. I'm sure our audience would really appreciate this clarity and insights. Thank you, Mr. Naresh, again for taking time out and talking to Fires.
Thank you, Kanishka.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.